I'm mid 40s. I'm 43. Long history with a bad knee, but I played Division I football for Syracuse way back in the day, and I had a torn ACL coming out of high school, a much worse injury in college, another torn ACL, some bone chips, dislocated knee, really bad stuff. So I had that repaired, replaced some components, but was basically bone on bone, from age 21, 22 until around 30. And so I was jogging, like I'll say post college, you're in pretty good health. I was in pretty good health. Wife and I would go jogging. We would do a lot of stuff. I started training for it, started picking up running a little bit, and somewhere over the course of that, it didn't like it. So I went from pretty good health to, being twisting and, almost kind of going down to the ground, or like really sharp pain, really dramatic decrease in quality of life and ability to, hike, climb, walk, just all of the stuff that I was doing at a pretty young age of 30. I haven't run in 15 years. I haven't actually jogged since I was, I guess, 29, 30 in that point. About a year and a half ago, the walking really took a dive. And then at some point it really progressed or degressed to barely being able to walk about a block, maybe 2 blocks at most. So you went from really downhill very quickly. Went back to my orthopedic, and the stem cell PRP was one of the therapies that he wanted me to try. So I did hyaluronic acid, 2 rounds of that, had great success for about 5 weeks, and then that really disappeared. It's one of those, I think the therapy is that if it's going to work, it'll work. If it doesn't, it's pretty clear that it doesn't. So progressed through those two injection sessions, and then I'll say looked up you guys, looked up the stem cell PRP therapy. First injection was in June 15th. Within 10 days, I think I was starting to forget that I had, that hesitancy to walk. So it was, I would say, almost immediate. And then my second injection was middle of July. And a week later, we were with the family down at Universal. So just this past July. And I think if you look at my phone, I walked something like 9 miles over the course of that first day. And it was far enough away from my mind that I hadn't even thought about it. I wasn't even thinking about how am I going to make it through this day? How am I going to, keep up with my kids and my family? I've got 2 teenage kids. So in that aspect, it blew my mind. Last injection was 2 weeks ago. And I wouldn't tell you that I've noticed anything different from the July section. I'm extremely pleased with the results so far.